Today we are going to discuss about lists, like ordered lists, unordered lists are there, and how to apply CSS to unordered lists, and how can we apply list of links, hyperlinks, and then how it converts into navigation menu. By the end, you will understand easily, simply. Okay. The first thing is, what is a list? List is nothing but a list of elements. How can we display the list of elements means what? Either with the symbols, dots or something, dots and arrows, or with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C, D, E. Here, if you want to display list with the numbers is called ordered list. Ordered means what? OL. It's ordered list. You need to specify everything inside. Just here I'm writing that message. It's an ordered list. OL. Here we are adding some list of items. LI is representing the list. LI is representing the list. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 I'm writing. Just 1, 2, 3, 4 I'm writing. This one. So once you execute that, look at this ordered list. So automatically list will be displayed. List will be displayed using numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one. Now for that, we are applying that CSS. We are applying CSS. So we are adding that head location inside that style tag. First of all, for whole ordered list, we are writing for whole ordered list is nothing but OL. For ordered list, we are writing some background color. Background color is the same like this is cyan we are giving aqua. So it will be as a background color will be added to that list. This one. Look at this. I'm just giving that padding, some space I am giving between. Some space. Here it is. Before and after padding. Before and after padding. Here, suppose if I'm using width is 250 pixels I'm giving. See, look at this. It's not using the whole page. Only here it is a 250 pixels only it is using. 250 pixels it is using. And the next one is, I'm just writing here, border. Look at this border radius. Border radius means what? Just a rounded corner borders will come. Look at this. It is a rounded border corners. Rounded border corners. It is a simple example. Is a simple example. This is only we are applying for the OL, the complete list, whole list. No, only for list items I am adding. What is that list item color? For example, red color. Red color. For example, I want to change a font size. Font size, suppose is a 15 pixel. Oh, is it 25 pixel? Like this, 25 pixel. Next one. Suppose here we are writing that margin Margin left. Margin left is like a 50 pixel I'm taking. See, observe like this. Margin left is a 50 pixel we are taking. Okay. This is what giving that list. Which list? Is a ordered list. That's why it is showing that values with a 1, 2, 3, 4. Unordered list means what? Just only you need to add UL and UL. That's it. Then only look at this, that names has changed. Names. Names has changed to, I mean, all the values are representing with the dots. Representing with the dots. That is the one. As any small changes if you want to do. Any small changes if you want to do. For example, here everything is the same. Mostly if you want to change, this is the one. See, list style type is there now. By default, it is a disk, square, and so many are there. Look at this. Is displaying in the form of a square. In the form of square, we are displaying. This is the way we are representing that one. Next one is why means finally we are creating one navigation menu. That's why we are writing this list. Next one, how can you create one link? Style and all later we use. How can we create one link? Link means what? It's a hyperlink. It's a hyperlink. Just a message I'm writing. Just a message. Here it is visit Google, suppose. So normally this message will display. Just visit Google. Here I just want to give the Google link here. Google link. What we have to write is an anchor tag A. What is the message you want to display here? Here you need to specify here Google. Then it will give. Then it will give. Is a one. Okay. Now this one, sir, why it is not showing as a link? Link. Here it is in the, here you need to specify the attribute. Attributes always in the starting tag now. href hyperlink reference is a hash I am giving. Hash. See, look at this. Sir, what is the use of hash? Hash means what? It's no link. Just creating the dummy link. That's it. No, sir, I just want to go to that google.com. So here it is. You need to display that address like https www.google.com is a one. It's a link. So now if you click on this one, it will take you to that google.com. Google.com. No need to write this one actually. No need to write this. Or simply you can write like this, visit, and this anchor tag, you can specify directly in the same line. Directly in the same line. Suppose this one you are writing here. Here. Now see how it is showing. Now it is clear. Now it is clear. Because first visit message and followed by the visit message, it is showing that that name is a Google. It's showing that is a Google, is a one. Sir, can I apply any Anything to this one means what? Yes, you can apply. Anything we can apply. Suppose is a style first for anchor tag. First for anchor tag. It is showing that I'm here writing text decoration. Text decoration none. First thing, sir, what is this text decoration none? It will remove the underscore. Look at this. Is underscore is removed. Underscore is removed. Suppose I'm giving the background color. Is a green color. I'm giving the background. Background is a green. And color I'm giving. Color, suppose yellow or white I'm giving. White. As a white I'm giving. Or yellow. Yellow I am giving is a background. Sir, it is suppose adjusted to borders. So means what? Best thing is what? Padding we are giving. Is a padding. For example, 10 will come top. Both sides. For example, if you give like the 10 and 20, if you give like this, hope you understood. First one is a top and bottom. Second one is a left and right side. 2020 we are giving like this. For example, I just want to show it as a button. Means what? Make it radius. We already seen border radius. I'm just giving like a 8 pixel. I'm giving the border radius. See here, it is a rounded corner scheme. Rounded corners. Got it? That is now. Now here it is showing like this. See, once you click on that, it will go. But here, whenever you place, I just want to make it highlight. A colon over. Over means what? Whenever you place the cursor on that button, suppose it has to change. It's like a background color. Change it to orange. Orange. And then color change it to white. Suppose. Now see, if you move like this, it is changing. Both colors are changing. Both colors are changing like this. This is how can we make nothing but how can we apply once you after creating that one we are thinking it is looking like a button. It's not a button. It is like a hyperlink. It is like a hyperlink. For hyperlink, we are creating the button. We just make it as a button. Got it? Right. Now, normally, if you want to create a navigation menu, if you want to create a navigation menu, we create the navigation menu with the list of links only. List of links. First we create like this. We create like this. Unordered list. Just one second. Right. Here it is a list. It's an unordered list. Unordered list means what? Inside that list we are creating. Suppose 1 and is a 2 and is a 3 and is a 4 and is a 4. We are creating like this. This is the list of items, but inside that items, we are writing, here it is, anchor tags we are writing. Anchor tags. Suppose Google anchor tags. It's like a Gmail or better. Gmail. Next one is anchor tags is a Facebook, is a anchor tag, is a YouTube. We are taking like this. Four. Four. But still, what it is showing? It is showing only as a normal way. Even though you specify, I already told you that hyperlink reference. I'm not giving anything, just a dummy. Why? Because we already seen what to write there in place of hash. But now our concentration is on how to make it, how to convert into navigation menu. Now it is showing like this. It's a first thing. It's a first thing. Simply a list of anchor tags we are creating. List of anchor tags. Now we are applying CSS to that one. Now we are applying CSS to that one. How can you apply? It's the same. It's a styling only. Just possible stylings we will apply. The basic styling only. The more styling means what? I already told you that CSS, we can't by heart many things. How to apply more styles and all, we will get slowly. First, for whole list, we need to apply. Whole list means what? For UL, you should apply UL. What is that list style type? I don't want to give anything, just none. Look at this, none. Simple. Got it? Next, for the list, is any margin you want to give. Suppose margin top is a 50 pixel I'm giving. For everything you are getting that like this. No, sir, just a 5 pixel I'm giving. It will be like this. Or for example, not a margin top, just margin I am giving 10. Every side margin 10 is coming. Left and up. 10 pixel margin is coming. Now it's an anchor tag. For anchor tag, we are writing. Sir, first I want to remove that underscore. That is what text decoration. Mostly we use this one. That's why we keep on writing none. Removed, but still working like a link. Working like a link. That is. It's the same one only. It's like a background color. Is a background color. So we are giving any background color. For example, red. Showing like this. Individual anchor tags individually it is showing. Is that color? I'm giving what? White. White. Is the main thing is a padding is required or else not seems to be good. Padding. Same 10 pixel, 10 pixel and 15 pixel I'm giving. Now it is applicable for whole. Is nothing but is coming. It is among that it is showing. Okay. If you do that border radius is like 8 pixel. Now you can see that why it is not showing that anything. Oh, sorry, border radius. See here, is one is coming on another. One is coming on another. Better margin top. If you see like this, the four buttons, margin top. See, for example, the font size, if you want to change, in the previous one, we didn't add the font size, font weight, font family means what is a font type actually. Font type, it's like 20 pixel, is a little changed, little changed. Look at this. Whenever we write block, display block is added everything. But here it is a display inline block. If you write, it will be given like this. What is the advantage of display inline block and all? You will understand later. I'll explain that inline grid, block, flex, and everything. If you write a flex, now you cannot understand inline flex, horizontally it will come. Horizontally, now you cannot understand. In the navigation bar, you will understand. So without confusion, just up to here. Just up to here we are writing. Only creating the buttons with some basic decorations. But those are not buttons. Very, very important. It's a navigation bar like links. Navigation bar like links. That is the one main thing. Got it. Now, simple way of writing or creating the navigation bar. In two ways, we are creating the navigation bar. In two ways. What are the two ways? First one is a simple way. Same list only I'm using. List only. But I'm writing. But I'm writing this entire list as a division. As a division. The division name, anything you can give. Division. This one. Better, I already told you that. Suppose class, any name we can use, like a nav bar is a navigation bar. Is a navigation bar. Look at this. Sir, now how it is showing? As we are using not a list, just anchor tags only, side by side came. Side by side came. Got it? Now, this is an important one. Class means what? We use always dot. Navigation bar is the same story. I'm using that background color is a green. Background color is a green. And I'm using that padding also is important. Is a 10 pixel. 10 pixel I'm using. 10 pixel. This is the one. For the whole thing it is giving. So that is a right side is not required. Right side. Because padding is for navigation bar. Suppose if you are giving that padding to this one, then inside that gaps will come. That we'll see. Okay, for anchor tags we are adding. This one, look at this. So one thing is a navigation bar. Inside that anchor tags are there. A. Now to those anchor tags we are giving. To those anchor tags we are giving. First float. Which side it has to? Left side or right side? Is a left side. But if you make it right, it will come to right side. Sir, why it has changed? Why it has changed background color and all means what? Here it is applicable to 10 pixel like that only, padding. We need to make it now display block. Suppose if you make it like this, display block. For that, we are adding that one. Whenever you are writing display block, here overflow, if you write hidden overflow, now it will come. Or else it will go background. So don't worry about this one. There are three types are there, like how to create the margins, write a overflow, flex, display. Next one, grid are there. These are very important in styling. All the things I'll explain in the next class. Today we are just creating that navigation bar. A few things you need to learn. Just for navigation bar anchor link, I'm giving that all the float is aligned to this one. Next one, color I am giving is the same thing. Suppose yellow I am giving. Now observe that padding, inside padding it is. Inside padding is a top padding is a 10 pixel and side padding suppose is a 20 pixel we are giving like this. So now the gap is coming. Gap is coming. It's like a text decoration. Text decoration is a none and increasing that font size is the same thing on font size like a 20 pixel I'm taking. 20 pixel I'm taking. If you maximize, it will be like this. So normally on the top, we will see that navigation bar like this only. Navigation bar. So once again, suppose if you are not writing this overflow, it is visible like this. It will come front. Got it? It is there. It is there. Now you will understand. It will go back. These things comes front. Comes front. Okay. No, these are all. This is also comes front and it is visible means what? That overflow hidden. We should stop. This is the way. Only just creating that navigation menu. Only just creating that navigation menu. This is the simple way we can create that navigation menu and we can apply. We can apply. That is okay.